Hello crafty friends, this is ScrappingSylvia here on YouTube and Instagram. Today we're going to do a mini haul, a quick mini haul, and also a friend mail. So let us begin. This one is from Jenni, the Uncrafty crafter, and on Etsy, if you want to get anything from her, she has great cover minders and lots of great stuff. And she's known as Oh Snap Crafters Cafe, okay? And on YouTube, it's the Uncrafty crafter, Jenni. Okay. Handle with care. I'm fragile. Thank you. Haha. Okay. Let's get this open. Make sure there's no. Ooh. Lots of little goodies, guys. Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you so much for your order, Sylvia. Love, Jenni. Oh my God, look at this, guys. There it is. Oh Snap Crafters Cafe. Scented Minders and Notions on Instagram. Okay. Look at this, guys. This is the base. But look how beautiful this is. It's a beautiful starfish. Okay, and then I guess you snap these. See how this is? Oh yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. So this is the base, and this is the magnet. There you go. And then you could exchange these. These are interchangeable. Okay, so you can buy different ones. So that one goes there. I think I bought another one. Let's see. Let's try it. Okay, look at this, guys. This is a beautiful. It's like a little flower, a violet. Let's see. Let's try this one here. Well, let me show it to you first. It's gorgeous, Jenni. Thank you. This is my first time. I've never had these snap ones. I think this goes in. Yep. Look at that. Beautiful. So you could change them. Oops. There you go. Okay. And I have no idea what this is. I guess maybe for the magnets, to separate the magnets so they will connect. Okay. And a very pretty bag. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, let me get my little candy bowl. And of course, I only have one left because the little monster, my mama, has been eating them. But she's a cute monster. So this is espresso candy. The original coffee candy. Okay, it's gonna go in there. And I got a nice snowman. Actually, is this Frosty the Snowman? I think this is Frosty the Snowman, guys. It's a sticker. This has been on my cart. And some stars. It's washi tape. Is that pretty? Thank you, Jenni. All right, I'm loving it. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's move this over here. Oh my gosh, I really love these guys. They're beautiful. Look at the colors. Love it. Okay. Yeah, I get a little excited, so I get a little cuckoo. Okay, now this one is from Mariah. And on YouTube, she's known as Crazy Diamonds. And on Etsy, Stash Junky. Love her stuff. I got this one last time, and I put all my diamond pens in here. Again, I also have a tweezer. Olivia, my niece, loved it so much that she said, Titi, can you get me one? And I said, but you don't have any, diamond paintings, pens. And she says, I'm going to use it for my pencils and my pens for school. Okay, so she'll use it also for markers. Okay, let's open this baby up. It says, thank you for supporting my small business. Yes, guys, we got to support everyone. Okay. Okay, let's move this out of the way. We don't need to look at that paper. Very pretty tissue paper. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is my other tin can that I ordered. Wait till I show you what I did with the other one. So I'll show it to you now. Little bubble. My mother loves to bust these little... Pop, not bust, pop, the bust. I'll keep that for grandma, for mama. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at how beautiful. She's got beautiful brown hair with some highlights. She's got some wings, a beautiful skirt, and she's sitting on books. She kicked off her shoes. She's got glasses, and look at how pretty inside. Yes. All right, now let me show you what I did with the others. So remember, I've got stash tin. I've got this beauty and the butterflies. So I labeled them, guys. They're easy now. This is where I keep my clips. See? My clips. Okay, here I keep my wax. Well, some wax, not all of them. Okay, wax. And then here I keep my placers, which I've got to learn how to use. Okay. All right, and this one, don't know what I'm going to put in here yet. Maybe I'll start putting some cover minders. So, okay. Thank you so much, Mariah. I love it. I love everything you make. Okay, and this is a free gift. What is this? You open it like this? Oh, I don't want to break it. Let's see, guys. Do I open it like this? Yep. I don't have any nails. Okay. Oh, this is another cover minder. But it's a reindeer, guys. It's Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. See, it's got a big red nose. Thank you, Mariah. That's very sweet of you. Thanks. I appreciate it. That's going to go on my cart. Okay, that goes there. That's very nice. And this one is going to be... Look what she did. Oh, that's so nice. Mariah, you filled it up with candy. Look at that, guys. Put your diamond pencils or any other kind. Look what she did. She put little lifesavers on each of the little holes. Well, I think I'm going to keep this one. Olivia won't know. I'm going to keep the red one. And I'll leave all the others for Olivia. Okay? And maybe I'll put a little diamond pen here for her. Beautiful. Look at that. Shiny, shiny. Sparkles, sparkles. Okay. And then I've got more candy. Guys, let's put this aside. Beautiful. So we've got, my mom's going to love these, Laffy Taffy candy. It's grape. Okay, that goes in the candy jar or the candy cup. This is a fairy dust. She always puts some fairy dust, so I have a collection. Let's put that over there. Let's put this over here. And more candy, guys. Yep, these I'm going to keep. Actually, I'll fill this one for Olivia here. And I'll keep this one. And then she gave me a sticker, which I love my stickers. It's got the sun, the moon, planet Earth, and all planet Earth. Well, not all of it, but okay. And then she always puts a little thank you card. If I can get it out. Oops, a daisy. There it is. Thank you, Mariah by Stash Junky. Awesome. Stash Junky, tins and things. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. What's this? Did I order two? I can't remember. Oh, I cannot remember. Wow. Oh, you know what? I did order this one. I forgot. This one is for Olivia, actually. Because I asked her, she saw the ones that I had, and she said, Titi, can I have one? I said, of course. So I got her the, she picked the Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz with Toto. Isn't that pretty? So, oh, look at that. Pretty color. So Olivia's going to love this. So I'm going to actually give these to Olivia for Christmas. Shh. Okay. Alrighty. Let's move this box out of the way. Thank you, Mariah. And thank you, Jenny. Love you guys. Now this, guys, came from Naomi. She's such a sweetheart. She's so generous. She's known as the Crafty Savage. And I'm hoping that she will start her Etsy shop and she'll start selling gnomes. Anyway, she posted some gnomes on Instagram. And I happened to say, oh my God, Naomi, I love gnomes. Those are beautiful. And she basically said, hey, do you want some? Ah, my gosh. And look what she did. She sent me some. I love her. Thank you, Naomi. You're so sweet. Okay, if I can get it open. I'm going to need one of those pocket knives that the girls have, the diamond painters. Pretty cool. Okay. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. She's sending me out beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, no. Naomi, you definitely have to start an Etsy shop. Okay? Everybody's going to buy from you. Look at this. Look at his beard. Look at his little hat. This little puffy ball on the top, and the nose is like wood. Look at that! Oh my God! I'm gonna call him Grandpa. Let's see. How does she? I wonder how she makes these. I'm gonna call her. I'm gonna call him Grandpa. It's like my little. Look how cute he is, guys. This is definitely gonna go in my craft room. Thank you so much, Naomi. Love you. Thank you. Okay. And then she sent me a card. Oh my gosh! Look how pretty. Flowers. Out of the way. Hello, Sylvia. I hope this gnome what? I hope this gnome brings. I'm so duh. I hope this gnome brings you lots of smiles. Enjoy. Love, Naomi. I think I'm gonna have to go back to school. Well, anyway, thank you. Oh, look at that. You're the best. No, you're the best, Naomi. Thank you so much. I love this card. Thanks. Love the envelope too. All right, guys. So lots of delicious goodies. So we got candies. Let's move this out of the way. So we got the candies. We got the stickers. Okay. Let's move that over there. Got the cover minders. That's what else? The washi tape. A little fairy dust. And the new... I need to move these down so you can see it better, so that everything can fit. Okay, and of course, let's not forget the beautiful gnome, my little grandpa gnome, and a diamond painting holder for the pens. I think I got everything, guys. All right, so thank you again, and just sharing what I've got. And thank you again, Naomi, and thank you again, Mariah and Jenny. Bye-bye, everyone.